When I got these, I expected them to be small, but seeing them in person really helped me understand how they're going to best be used. These are compact reusable tote bags, and they're perfect for lightweight everyday needs rather than a full grocery trip. I've been using them for things like baby essentials, a few diapers and wipes, or toys, even a quick grab and go bag for things like water bottles and snacks. And they also work really well as reusable gift bags or party favor bags, holiday bags, especially when you want something simple and practical instead of disposable wrapping. Even though they're small, the material feels really durable, the handles are sturdy, and they hold their shape well with lightweight items inside. I also love that they fold completely flat, so storing a stack of them takes up almost no space. And with 50 bags in one set, they're easy to keep on hand for gifting, organizing, travel, or quick outings when you don't need a full sized bag.